Hey guys, your Keto Coach here. Brisk morning. It's like +7 here in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. But I'm out here. I'm going to show you how I deep fry my chicken wings. So I'm outside my backyard, and I'll show you what I do and the tools I use. And then this will be a time-lapse video with a few little breaks in between. All right. So here we have what I'm going to be deep frying today. So we have a bunch of chicken wings here, which were dried down. So they've been patted dry. You can see from the napkins in here. So they're very dry. It's really important to have dry wings so it doesn't splatter up in there and also cooks properly. Some of the items I will be using today, I'll show you these later, but some kind of hot sauce. So I use this one here just to make sure that there's no carbs or sugar added. In Canada we have this for organic butter, so I use organic meadow, pasture butter. And then lastly, some Himalayan salt, just to give it some flavor. So yeah, those after the deep frying. This is my deep fryer. It's a Tefal deep fryer. Works really good. Just outside, just so it doesn't smell up the house. And what we do is we set it to 375 or 374 in this case. And if you open up in here, you'll see this nice golden brown here oil. It's actually peanut oil we use. You don't use anything else. Peanut oil is good for you and actually works really well. It is expensive, but you can keep reusing it. And this one actually is really good because it goes right back into the bottom container after it's done. So I'll come back once the oil temperature has reached the 374 degree mark. Also, when you do cook it at 374, 375, you'd only deep fry for around 10 minutes and then the wings are done. So we've reached 375, so I'm going to put the wings in. So what I'll do is I'll grab a couple here. So I put enough in here just to make sure that we have good coverage, but don't put too many, otherwise it's not going to cook properly. So you're going to have to do a couple of batches, which is fine. Okay, so we have that. So we're going to slowly put it in the oil. Let's get the cover on here. Alright, so now we're going to set the timer here. I'm going to put it for 10 minutes. So it's set for 10 minutes now. And that's it. And then once it's done at 10 minutes, I'll take it out. So here it is after 10 minutes. You can see it's all golden brown. So I've already mixed my butter and hot sauce together. So here it is, about half a cup. Slowly just pour some of this on here. Let me just mix it properly. Yeah, as much as you want. Eventually you have to just mix it all together anyways. So I just usually just toss this up really quick. Then I'll sprinkle a little bit of salt on there. That's it. And then I'll put it all in here and wait for the next 10 minutes for my next batch. I'll keep repeating it until I'm done all the chicken wings I showed you earlier. And that's it. Let's see how great that looks. The question I get often is, how many wings should I eat? Again, it's always important just to think about how many macros you have. Make it fit into your macros. 2 to 3 wings, 3 to 4 wings sometimes is what a lot of people eat. But you know, it's a great fat source. The fat protein ratio is great in wings, so that's why it's such a good thing for keto. Again, if you have any questions, if you're looking for a keto diet or keto consulting, hit me up at myketocoach.com, and make sure you subscribe below because I'm going to be creating more videos for tips and tricks and quick recipes like this. Thanks.